In this video, we will go over the answer and explanation of the coding exercise that we just did. We are given a string variable named s assigned a string value of hello, and tasked with writing a for loop that iterates over each character in string s, and prints it on a new line. Let's create a for loop that starts out at int I equals 0, runs while I is less than s.length, and increments I by a value of 1 each time. Inside of this for loop, we will output the character at index I in string s to the console, followed by a new line character since the problem instructs us to output each character on a new line. When we run the code to check it, notice that our solution is correct.